My name is Thato Rakgalakane. I am a sixth year completing my Master of Architecture in the Architectural Technology at the Tshwane University of Technology. Please join me as I journey through a process of introspection in discovering the interspace between the architecture and fashion disciplines. The next portion of the video is an interview that is taking place in my mind as I analyze the definitions of fashion and architecture. Enjoy. Can you tell me what your perceptions are on fashion? Um, for me, I think fashion is something that is created by creatives, and it's something that is worn by humans. So it can be clothing, it can be hats, it can be shoes as well. So um, what is considered as fashion is clothing or shoes or hats that are considered to be nice at that point in time. So basically, fashion is something that is trending, something that is appealing to the people. Yeah. Can you tell me what your perceptions are on architecture? Man, architecture excites me. Hey, for me, architecture is the infrastructure that's out there. Everything that is built, your buildings, your schools, your houses, your residential buildings. That's architecture. So I would say that architecture is anything that is built by or that is designed by architects and also built by construction workers. Yeah, that's architecture for me. What do you think falls under the architectural discipline? Well, I think that architecture is buildings basically that we use as human beings. I would like to think that malls fall under architecture, houses fall under architecture, whatever infrastructure that we use as human beings, I think, fall under the architectural bracket. And basically, those things are designed by architects through floor plans. They do sections and details, which is similar to what has been done with clothing as well, because clothes are also designed as well before they're made. So I would like to even say that there's a bit of correlation between the two because they kind of like go through a similar process in a sense that one needs to start by drawing how the objects or the fashion of the building is going to look like and just describe the steps in which these things will be made, and then there will be a process where we make them. So I think it's like an ongoing process which is similar to one another. So do you think fashion and architecture has differences? If so, please explain why. To differentiate the two, I would say that fashion is more portable in a way that you wear it and you can literally just move from one point to the other in it, whereas a building is static. It's kind of fixed to the ground in a way, so therefore it's not mobile. So I think that's how I would differentiate the two. Yeah. The purpose of this mini dissertation is to redefine and to explore the symbiosis between the fashion and architecture disciplines. The tradition that was employed mostly in the modern era is adopted in the study to develop characters and their architecture and to extract theory thereof. This tradition can be described as the creation of a character, the character's description as a problem, and the architectural resolution of it in a form of a building or buildings. This particular tradition occurs strongly in Le Corbusier's work through the creation of the modern man. So the project took a direction towards using the mentioned ancient technique to achieve harmony in societies. As the dissertation took that direction, a selection process occurred and the jeweler and architect's projects were developed further to engage more on the topic of creating harmony in their workplaces or environments, since it involves working with a lot of people or people in general. How would you define fashion? Fashion is the latest style of clothing or way of behavior, or just generally anything that is designed. And what I've also discovered is that the word fashion means to make something. So in essence, when you say you're fashioning something, you mean you're making something. Could you give me a brief description of architecture? Architecture is the practice of designing objects of architecture. It's the process of building or making objects of architecture, and it's also the architectural objects themselves. To sum everything up, I would say that architecture is a tool that can be used or that is used to envision and to describe what and how the world could be. How can creators harmonize a diversified world? So the shortfall of the creation of the modern man, I would say, would be that Le Corbusier has forcefully invited us to become this modern man, regardless of our own aspirations as individuals. It is also a gesture to say that the abundance of characters that are created by architects or creatives gives us more room to identify ourselves in other individuals. Upon the review of the clothing buildings that were designed and the theory extracted, one can conclude that architecture is not a singular art form. Architecture can be worn directly on the body. For this reason, the study argues that clothes are a type of architecture that is worn, whilst buildings are a type of architecture where people walk into. Another point worth mentioning is that urban spaces are fashioned by clothing, buildings, and clothing buildings through the shared understanding of the influence of space, form, and materials.